Have you ever paused to contemplate the profound impact smartphones have had on our lives? From being mere communication tools, they've morphed into indispensable mini-computers, transforming our world in ways unimaginable even a few decades ago. Journey back to the dawn of the 21st century, and there's the birth of the first true smartphone, the Ericsson R380. Released in the year 2000, it was the first device to be officially marketed as a smartphone. This remarkable device broke the mold, laying the foundation for future innovations. Fast forward to 2007, the world witnessed a game changer, the unveiling of the first iPhone by Apple. With its sleek design, touchscreen interface, and a plethora of apps, it was a quantum leap from anything the world had seen before. By 2010, the smartphone market was a battleground. Android entered the fray, offering an open-source, customizable alternative to iPhone's iOS. This opened up the floodgates for a host of manufacturers like Samsung, HTC, and LG to create their own smartphones, leading to an explosion of innovation. In the ensuing decade, smartphones became more than just communication devices. They transformed into our personal assistants, our cameras, our music players, our GPS systems, and even our wallets. By 2020, the focus had shifted to enhancing user experience. Developments like foldable screens, 5G technology, AI integration, and augmented reality have started to define the new normal for smartphones. Now it's 2024, and the future of smartphones is looking brighter than ever. Concepts like modular smartphones, holographic displays, and even smartphones that can morph into other devices are no longer figments of imagination, but potential realities on the horizon. To summarize, the evolution of smartphones has been a thrilling journey of constant innovation. Beginning with the Ericsson R380, through the game-changing introduction of the iPhone and Android, to the current era of user experience enhancements, smartphones have indeed revolutionized our lives. They've become our lifelines, connecting us to the world and providing us with unprecedented access to information. They've transformed industries, from music to photography, and have reshaped social interaction. Yet this is just the beginning. The future promises to be even more exciting, with smartphones poised to become even more integrated into our daily lives. The smartphone revolution, it seems, is only just getting started.